When you only have one evaluation board but need to test multiple ICs, repeatedly soldering and desoldering devices can be both time-consuming and risky. Today, we'll show you how the PCBR socket makes it easy to test multiple ICs without repeated soldering. Here's today's setup: the PCBR socket and our evaluation board. The device we're testing today is a BGA 153 package IC. First, remove the original IC from the evaluation board. Next, solder the dedicated PCBR socket adapter board in its place. This is the only soldering step required for the entire setup. Now, attach DediProg's self-developed PCR to the bottom of the mounting plate. Its high bandwidth, high-speed transmission, and low resistance help ensure stable and reliable signal performance. Once installed, place the mounting plate and PCR onto the adapter board and secure them with screws. The PCBR socket uses a contact area that matches the IC package size, along with a unique elevated structure. This minimizes the space required for testing on the board, while creating a safe clearance zone for nearby components, making installation easier even on crowded boards. Now, place the IC into the socket, close the lid, and you're ready to start testing. Once testing is complete, simply open the lid and swap in the next IC. No desoldering is required. The PCBR socket significantly simplifies the testing process and improves overall efficiency.